Hey baby. Okay, so here's the jump starter. So you've got a flat battery. Get the battery out. You don't need to turn it on. You don't need to press that on. It just works. And have the jump starter cables out. And you need to open this. There's a little clip on the back of it, which you just stick your finger up underneath it and pull it up. Have that open. That is for the red one. Stick the red one on. And the other one is right here. So see where it is? It's just there. So get the black one and stick that on. And then plug it in to here. Okay. Now, see on here, there is a button on the side of it. So there's a screen, you plug it in, there's a button on the side of it. I'll plug it in and I'll show you what it's going to be. And it says in the instructions it's got to be over 80% for it to work properly, so it's on 99% now. Alright, so it's plugged in, and see how it says 12.6 volts. That means that's the current charge that our battery has, so that means the battery is currently good. But if you had a flat battery, that would say less. And so there's a button on the side. When it's plugged in, there's only one way it can go. Have it plugged in. When you plug it in, it goes beep. Make sure that's connected properly. Make sure that's connected properly. Press the button on the side of it, and it's got a countdown. The countdown is saying that you've got to start the car before the countdown has finished. Okay, so I'll start it up and see what happens. And then once it's started, take it off straight away. Well done.